Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm at a High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing Money Link, the Great Immortals. Here's our progressives. We're going to start on the 5-cent denom doing $2 bets. Hope we'll get that shake. 3 of those green symbols will give us free games, or 6 of those numbers. Hopefully we can get that shake. I'd like to take a minute and thank JJ Slot Play and TL Slots for all their support of me and my channel. I greatly appreciate y'all. Sent a bunch of great folks my way. The support is tremendous. Thank you so much. Come on, Money Link. So we need that shake. I want to hear those drinks. Come on, 4 more. Oh, come on, 3. We got it, guys. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Love the music. Now listen for the drinks, guys. Here it comes. Come on, throw us some more down, please. There we go, guys. That reset to 3 spins. There we go. Ooh, look at that one. 620. Drinks. Drinks. Come on, give us another one. One more. Alright, guys. That's a nice hit. Remember, we're on 5-cent denom. We're going to spin on and hope for that shake. Yeah, that just rolled in. That was good. Let's get the free games. I love the free games on this. My favorite feature is the numbers, but the free games on the Great Immortals is great. Come on, 4 numbers under there. Well, we had to. Shake it for us. Got 3 numbers. We needed 6. We're gonna up that bet for a few spins. Give us numbers. Nope. We're betting $4 a spin now. There we go. Come on. Oh, we needed those games. Shake for us. Come on, Immortals. We'll go back down to that $2 bet. Hopefully we can get that shake. Or maybe we can get it to roll in again. 3 numbers under there. Nope. We got our bet back on that one. Come on, numbers. Got $1.50 back on that one. Shaking. Oh, those numbers were in the first. Blocked us from getting the rest. We're going to change the denom. Oh. We'll go down to 1 cent. We're going to bet $2.25. See if we can get that shake. Back on that one. 240 back on that one. money, Link. Show us that money. Come on, one more. Oh, it just went by, guys. Oh, man. Give us some numbers. I'm going to do a couple of fast taps, guys. Got 210 back on that one. Might not shake for us. We did get a bonus, though. Give us some numbers. Come on, 3 more. Oh, guys. Man, we're 1 away from the games, 3 away from the numbers. Give us some numbers under there. Line up. Alright, guys. We'll do 1 on 150. Oh, we got our shake on our last spin. What's it gonna be, guys? It's gonna be numbers, something big. All right, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Listen for the drinks. There we go. Drop us some big numbers. There we go. Keep coming. There we go. Reset the 3 spins. Drink. Last spin unless we get one. Come on. Drink. Alright, guys. Hey, we got a bonus though. Do a couple of backups. Last one. Numbers. Oh, that's 740. Yeah, we're going to call it there. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. And thanks again, JJ Slot Play and TL Slots, for all your support. Love you guys and appreciate you so much. We'll see you soon.